Hey beauties, today I have a unit from Main Concept in the style 9x6 pre-cut 07, and I have her in the color Amber Peach Blonde. Stay tuned. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today this review will be brought to you by Main Concept. Thanks so much for sending over this amazing unit that I have on my head. I have on the brown sugar skin bun lace 9x6. Y'all, I ain't got no lace cut. I am so hyped. Pre-cut glueless wig. Stock model cards. I am wearing the color, y'all. I had to get this color. This is the Amber Peach Blonde with the highlights, the copper, and the brown at the bottom, and it looks amazing, y'all. So the special colors that they come in are the dark olive, Amber Peach Blonde, which I have on my head, 2T Cream Latte, and I've been seeing this color a lot going around online and seeing too many people with this style and color on, so I just had to test it out. And the SR1B Honeybee, which is a blondish looking color. This is at the top, and it has baby hairs, elastic band, 2 combs at the top, 1 at the bottom, and the pre-cut is more of a jagged cut. You know, when you get those jagged scissors, craft scissors, and you just go around the edges, that's pretty much what the pre-cut is giving. Now, I did decide to do a center part. I was kind of playing around and I wanted to do like a right part on here so the hair can kind of fall in my face on this side. That would be so stunning if I had did that, but I just had to give this middle part a go so y'all could just see the color blend on this unit. Y'all can't miss it. And I did add some concealer in my parting area to make it pop a little bit more. I sprayed it with my lace tint spray, had to hit it with my hot comb along. I sprayed with my silicone spray, and I set everything with my spray from Tresemme holding spray. This is the length. The length, I'm not mad at it all. It's between 22 inches. I thought it was gonna be longer than this. It may be, I'm not sure. But on me, it's looking between 20 and 22 inches. I am wearing it glueless, thank goodness. This is it. You can see my little darker hair peeking through, but no spray is needed with this unit at all. Please make sure you are blending that lace in so you can have that flawless, seamless look with these units. Got to. The baby hairs, I just brushed it in, and it's falling a little bit on my forehead. And also I blended the lace in the front where the pre-cut area is. I blended the lace. It comes in this stock card. These are sticky tabs if you decide that you want to stick your unit down like on the edges to your hairline to make it hold down a little bit, then you can do so. And yeah, I didn't need to use this because I knew for a fact that I was gonna wear this unit glueless. But there is also an option if you wanted a more secure fit. If you just didn't have no lace bun adhesive just around the house, you can also do the sticky tabs they have included. Sometimes main concept hairlines can be a little bit questionable, but if you were to get this skin bun lace, I highly recommend this. The lace is pre-cut, pre-tweezed, and you don't have to do all that plucking. All you need, like I said, was just get you a hot comb and just hot comb everything to make it look nice and neat, and you out the door. And it's a 9x6 glueless unit, especially for the summertime. This heat, y'all, I just can't do this heat like that, especially this year. I just either got hotter or something is going on in the climate. But anyway, yeah, this is a plop on and go for me. Main concept, I'm gonna give this unit a 10 out of 10. I love the color. I wanted something different than I normally get when I'm choosing a unit. Normally I will stick to darker colors. Y'all, I do have some darker units coming up on down the line, and I just wanted a pop of color for my beauties. Summertime, you know. This is it. Yeah, beauties, this one is a hit, a 10 out of 10. And I am just in awe of this unit. But as always, beauties, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in another one. Bye.